Discover the wild side of India. India has the perfect setup for adventure trips. India has 2,500 kilometers long sky-high Himalayan ranges. Mighty forests covering almost 68 million hectares. Never-ending Thar Desert, which is the 7th largest desert in the world. 12 major navigable rivers flowing across India. Campo has a huge network of campsites across all these terrains. Explore Indian nature like never before with Campo in 3 easy steps. Treat yourself by booking your campsite on campo.in. Pack your bag back. Then simply check into your camp. Indulge yourself in various activities at your campsite like trekking, rock climbing, paragliding, rafting, bonfire. So you see, India has a lot more to offer than you thought. Come around and discover your favorite spots. Enjoy Indian nature.